Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. And I'll be progressing with the reset as though I don't know my pin. So that's one thing. And before I go any further, I also want to mention one thing just by quickly unlocking it. If you have Google account added in here, which would be under, where is it, accounts? I guess Google would be good enough. So you do see your Google account listed right here. If you have a Google account and you do this kind of reset, most of the time your device will become FRP locked. And what that means is when the reset is finished, your tablet will force you to verify either your screen lock or your Google account. And if you can't do either one of those, you won't be ever able to finish up the setup. So you just need to verify at least one of those. Now there's a chance that you can kind of bypass this. Usually some GSM centers do this. Nowadays, it's probably only paid methods. Before, you could have done this at home without any kind of tools. You just enter weird kind of places on your tablet and stuff like that, and you could bypass it and remove it. But since like a couple Androids ago, that's no longer the case. So most likely only GSM centers will probably be able to remove it if you need it. But anyway, enough rambling, let's get to it. So here's our screen lock, and I'm going to proceed from here by pressing power button and volume down at the same time. Oh, sorry, volume up. There we go. And then we're going to select power off from the options. Now the device will turn off, and when it does, you want to hold power button and volume down. So I'm holding it right now. And when you feel a vibration, you want to let go of the power button. Now, for some reason this device is a little bit wonky. I think it doesn't want to actually turn on when you're holding these buttons. I'm going to let go of just the power button already. Yep, there we go. It's booting up right now. So give it like solid 10 seconds after you press the power off option, and then start holding these buttons. And after like 5 seconds, let go of just the power button, but keep holding volume down. You'll feel a vibration, and this will then enter the boot mode. Now in boot mode, you will need to use volume down to select recovery mode, which is the first option visible right here. So just look at this arrow, jump to the top, like I did right now, and then press volume up to confirm it. When you press volume up, nothing will happen for a moment. Just like you can see, literally nothing, and it looks like it turns off, and then should go to, there we go, recovery mode. Now in here, we're going to be using now both of the volume buttons to navigate. So volume down goes down, and up now goes also up. And the power button is used to confirm whatever is selected. So with that in mind, I'm going to start scrolling down to wipe data, factory reset. I'm going to then confirm it with the power button, select factory data reset, confirm that. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then data wipe complete. Come on, focus camera. There we go, data wipe complete. And reboot system now will be selected by default, so we're gonna just press the power button once more. So reboot the device, continue resetting it in the background, and once it's finished doing so, we're gonna be presented with the setup screen. Now this will take about 2-3 minutes to finish up, so just be patient. And anyway, I'm gonna come back once this is done for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.